Hey guys, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the snowy, sort of beautiful off-grid project. I looked at the quad first because I brought it up to the house. I bought a radiator on eBay. It'll be delivered on the 13th. When I looked 2 years ago and I was in New York, a radiator was $800 for this. But things sure have changed since then, because now a radiator is only $220 new, and I found one for $45 used with free shipping. And that there is a bad problem. Snow is going down my neck. Anyway, it leaks out along the bottom edge as well. It had been repaired at one time, but it leaks now. So I bought a good secondhand radiator that doesn't leak. And I'm figuring the impeller is probably shot because the thing was overheating, is why I got it for free. So that's up here, both for security reasons and so I can fix it and get some cameras on it, because every time I fix something, it gets not fixed after that. So I am going to keep my eye on this. Okay. Beautiful. This is round 2. It snowed earlier, about 2 inches of wet stuff, wet heavy stuff, and then it melted. I did not have the camera out because we were busy. And this is round 2. So the rain is coming again. Snow, but yeah, it's frozen rain. And so we might get the 4 to 7 inches they were saying, just in 2 different phases with a very nice melt in between. The bad news is we have no solar power. You can see snow head falling off the solar panels, and it was warmed up, but that is pretty much the end. It's covering back up and we don't have any solar power at all. So we'll keep an eye on the weather here and see what happens here at the off-grid homestead today. Snowstorm, the first real snowstorm of the season that's here to stay, it looks like. And it's going to get cold, and it's going to stay cold, they're saying, for up deep into next week at the very least, as far out for the 10-day outlook I could see. Actually, just right here, just to give you an idea of the new stuff, we've got a good inch already on the second wave of snow. It's coming down, you can, that was one snowflake. It's coming down pretty big and heavy. There was another one. So, yeah, it's pretty heavy. And we're getting it. We are getting it. Well guys, I just shoveled, I think, 3 inches. Going on 4, it's heavy fluff. My scoop print is gone. Oh, wow, it's deeper than I thought. Oh. Wow. It's much deeper than I thought. There's 4 inches. I have to measure my finger from tip of my middle finger to up into my palm. That's some snow, and it's wet. It's heavy, so it means we got more than because it's wet. It would be thicker if it wasn't packing itself down. So I've already shoveled the walkway here, and it's still coming down pretty good. It's coming down. Now the trees, it's actually quite beautiful. The trees are taking a hit. So there's going to be some power outages and down trees and stuff from this, because it's so heavy. Look at that. It's beautiful though, isn't it? It's so peaceful. Except for the dripping of the water on the coming off the roof. You hear nothing. Just silence. And that's the thing about winter. It's insulating silence and peace. Now, why I chose to put my wood pile where it is. Look here. No snow on the ground. Look at the car. Now, I didn't drive this. I didn't do anything. Look at this, huh? Can you see it? Wait, I have a flashlight. No snow. Nothing. Nothing at all. The trees are shielding the car. Look at the ground. No snow. The logs are pretty much clean. Very clean. No snow over here. Under the trees is pretty much high and dry. Look over here. But then you come out from under the trees and you've got snow. Look at that. By the way, the boards are for a project I'm doing off camera. Not everything goes on camera, but anyway. Well, let's see what we get here. Let's see what comes. Well, good, beautiful morning on the homestead. It didn't snow a lot more last night. Another inch. That's all ice below. So, the roads were treacherous. We had to leave last night. It doesn't look like much here because the pine trees blocks it out, but up in there it's pretty deep. I just cleaned off the solar panels. I have guests over, so forgive me for not doing a lot of video. But I cleaned them as good as I could. The rest will melt off. It's incredibly surprising how fast solar panels warm up and the snow melts. As you are brushing it, the stuff starts to melt. So I just finished and went in and grabbed the camera. And it's coming off, it's slipping down. Really amazing. Anyway, so we've had a period of gray. Yesterday I was using my laptop on my lap on the couch, not plugged into anything, and trying to spare as much power as we could because we had a long period of gray. And yes, we have the grid, but we don't like to use it because it costs money, and there's no reason to throw away money when you've got all of this right here. There's no reason to pay for electricity when you have this. It's just the grid is a backup in case of problems, which hopefully would never occur. But anyway, so yes, we are sparing and try to conserve and save our batteries. So that'll melt off. I can't reach up in the top middle, but it's coming down pretty good. Well guys, that's the end of the first snowstorm of the year. It's quite beautiful. It's coming off the trees though. That is a beautiful scene. That is just, with the gray background, I don't know, I just think it is. Look at that. There's winter for you. I know people in California will definitely appreciate such a thing. That's for you guys, alright? Well guys, I know it's brief, but we had a lot of snow. We didn't do a lot of homesteading. We just worked inside the house, cleaning and organizing and straightening out. And that was it. That was absolutely it. So tomorrow is a new day. Well, tomorrow's Sunday. The next day is a new day, and hopefully we'll get something exciting and cool going for you on the homestead on Monday. And some new videos. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Please like, subscribe, and share. Follow our daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. Talk to you later.